fall. That's the reason why I hit that continue point, though. There we go.
Thank you for choosing Megacorp, where our customers come first.
Ratchet.
Thank you for shopping at Megacorp. Please visit us again.
Yo, -6. Going to Whoopash.
Shit.
What happened?
Oh no, I didn't do the upgrade animation cancel, but it's all good.
Where's the straggler? I'm getting better at Whoopash at least.
Yeah, I only got 24, but I think it's fine.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine on bolts.
Yeah, I have 7K, and I can quickly crack up to maybe 8K right here. On Maktar at least.
What's your least favorite split?
Honestly, it's a tie between Uzla and, Sniv.
Why?
Shot flip. I just say stop flip, man. Granted, if I was just better at it, I would hate it less. Like, I'm gonna admit that right now, but still, not a big fan of shot flip regardless. Because I feel as if sometimes, I don't know why, like, I don't know if you can overshoot it or not with how far you go, but I just don't let me think. I mean, honestly, I don't even think that would be my least favorite split. I just need to improve on it. If I had to say the plan, oh, Gorn. No. Retract, Uzla, replace it with Gorn. And I feel like there's an obvious reason why I don't like Gorn.
RNG.
Yeah. It's like, it's a shit mission, but it's still really difficult, you know what I mean? Like, you're on, like, it feels as if at any given point in time you could die just because a ship crashed into you.
Makes sense. No, I just golded.
Yeah,
I golded jamming
nice.
by 2 seconds.
But if I had to say my favorite one, I feel like that would either be Smoke or let me think. Smoke or maybe Tabora, just because of how chill Tabora is.
I think it's split for me.
That sucks.
I'm gonna use any percent splits, okay?
Right.
We've both got.
I can't believe what I'm seeing! That is on a rampage! It's like watching a train wreck! Wow!
Endako, yeah, I mean, it is the longest planet.
You remove planks.
Oh yeah, well, true. Yeah, it used to be because of Clank.
Ladies,
I'm still ahead of pace. Oh yeah, that's because I fucking died like 3 times to that gap. Yeah. I mean,
teleport.
Endako.
Alright.
Endako is just. I think it's okay. Like, I don't think it's that bad, but.
Hey, this.
Aranos 2 is pretty cool, but the Ratchet stuff, I don't know. It's like, it's not that interesting. I don't think it's lame though. But, I'm trying to think. No-Tac is pretty mid as well.
Siberius
Felson's
is
bad, but it's
definitely
not.
mid.
Huh?
Siberius is mid.
Yeah, so I mean, it's just a chill world because you really don't do much, and then you just literally just go straight to the end, and you just bomb spam, mini spam Angela, like not too. Oh wait, I gotta check.
I messed up pressing circle. Also I golded Bactar
Nice.
by a couple of seconds.
Is it more optimal for PS3? I know that Fear said all missions is really underrated.
Just imagine No IMG mixed in with
Right. Right, you do all of the the mission checklist on the planet, right?
Yeah, actually right now.
Yeah.
Imagine the MG plus size of Hundo.
Okay. So does that also include arenas?
No.
Okay.
I mean, you do have to do Jogo, and Mactar, but only when necessary. So,
Right, electrolyzer and gravity boots.
gravity boots is possible as well.
Oh yeah, he infiltrated.
Wait, was he infiltrated?
Yeah. Trespasser is Ratchet and Clank 1.
Oh, strong game. I watched Sim play pretty much Ragnarok. Racky's
Yeah.
Now I don't even know what gadgets in what game. Oh, a 216. Oh, yo, I golden barley.
I think I think it was Marathon who I told this to. I was like, remember when Rack 2 was the only game with the only frame perfect trick in the entire trilogy?
Not even close. Third try. Easy. 11-second gold. That previous segment twice wide. I say that okay, I lost 15 seconds, but I saved it.
Yeah, I gotta remember to quit game after this.
No! Practice is... Whoa. Oh, damn, the clip wants to scream out. How long have you been a speedrunner for?
In general, like, since I came into any speedrun scene, probably 6 months. But I've only been running NA% for this game for about a week. There we go. Like, no joke, I was Huh?
Sorry, I skipped. Sorry. I lost 10 seconds.
I was just gonna. I was gonna say that I was only speedrunning not Ratchet and Clank. Kingdom Hearts Birth by Sleep for 2 months, and I got sub 50 pace, which is pretty good. And then I got 47:30 3 months in. Remember, I actually broke sub 50 pace on my birthday. Which, funny enough, is Kingdom Hearts' birthday. Yeah?
It's it.
Okay, let's... Huh? I'm only doing this one more time, and if I fuck it up, I'm resetting and quitting game, because I've lost time in almost every...
No!
I'm in the middle of a speedrun. Oh, man.
Okay, this run's dead.
Did I hit that continue point?
What? Oh no, I'm decoys as well.
No, I didn't.
Please, cutscene. No.
I'll keep the run going. I mean, I was plus 112 last time I got to no tack, and I pulled off plus 20 before my run died.
This run's still alive. Gonna lose 20 seconds.
Just a little bit of time with that.
Yeah, I lost 23. Okay, I was off by 3 seconds. That's pretty good. Save time on
But no, I
this.
don't use decoys till here. Not here. Yeah. Do you think it would be a bad idea to just pause my speed run? Yeah, I got a speed run going.
The run would become invalid.
Yeah, no, it's fine. I think my dad's taking my dog out. I know that the run would be invalid. I was wondering if it's a shit thing to do.
No.
And the thing is too, like, I wouldn't even mind taking the dog out if it wasn't in the middle of a speed run and if I didn't waste so much time today not streaming. Cause I've been gone for like literally. I was just gone for an hour.
Okay, I saved a minute 10.
Thanks for
Actually,
that.
no, that's a minute 8. That's a bit early.
I just golded by a second. Let's go.
Yo.
But I saved 15. I saved that was 16 over my PB.
What? You refuse to let me.
Come in.
I lost 9 seconds to failing one drop. I mean, one of the times was because the nuke didn't shoot. What is that speed? There's none of that. What? Ratchet, you have momentum. Momentum exists in this universe. You do the momentum. Yep. Deeply. Please, please. Why? Is up with this game today? No, I held L1. Yes. I split late. So now I'm 39 seconds to bullshit. Thank you, game. What? What? Stop bonking. It's not difficult. And don't have decoy lock. CSI is not
God
difficult.
damn it. I always forget about that. That there's a cutscene right after Laura. Just wanted to drink my coffee, man.
How did I... Am I that bad? I didn't think I was that bad. Bloody indie plus average. I just got.
There's something on my neck, and it's causing it to be incredibly itchy.
It's a tick.
That's a tick.
The instinct.
I think it was like a hair, like a loose hair.
I should actually do the gadget bots were looking at where an enemy spawns. I was getting worried.
Yeah. Dude, this fucking game is so weird sometimes. Dude, this game is so weird sometimes.
You can climb in first person mode. The game being weird, I think that's normal.
That is very true. Imagine being able to climb in first person.
You can jump in the air with a bloody decoy.
I mean, I would agree with that, but Kingdom Hearts did that on purpose in one game. So, as much as I want to say that's not very common, I would be lying. Alright, I'm hitting that swap pack. Wait, tack swap, what am I saying?
I'm on pace. Oh, that's a pretty bad call.
No, I'm doing it one more time. Oh my god. Whatever.
You got this.
Well, it looks.
What? Swap. Thanks.
Damn. Yes, not paying attention would explain why I have a 244 sniv. What planet you up to?
I'm at Bolden.
Golden?
Yeah.
Minus, +1?
Yeah, plus a minute. I mean, I might save 18 seconds, I think, is... Might be able to save 18.
Wrong. Okay.
So I died once to the slope. And when I was doing that reset list run, it was so bad. It took like 3 attempts, and then the game sucked like on Aranos, like I said. And I was like, you know, as much as my pride wants to let me just continue this run, I went from plus 120 to 20 seconds on. I ultimately had to just be like, damn.
Small pet, be good, please. Thank you. That was clean.
What am I doing?
I've got a lot of confidence. Like, I'm on PC, I'm not putting on a shield. Going on to smoke rail.
Oh, stop! Oh man, those fucking robot dogs scared the shit out of me.
The chicken bots.
Oh, chicken bots, is that what they're called? They look like
Robot
puppies
dogs,
or
they...
something.
2 legs!
They look like puppies.
You said dogs.
I know. I thought they were dogs. But I mean, I see the chickens too.
Growing, that's a... That's an alright
Damn,
needle.
you're already in Grelvin? No chance, bro. No, I know that you're doing NG+. Okay. Well, that was weird. Please don't fucking soft block again. I did what Mantos told them in the wrench only run. I start doing. I'm gonna start doing the salute to prevent it from happening. Okay.
It's a leg split.
No, you fucker. Chicken fucking robot ate the bridge bot. I mean, yeah, I love losing like 10 seconds. Yeah.
Time save, what's that?
Yeah, for real.
Get good. He needs time save.
God, it's that simple. Just save me time. Dude, that's what I need to tell Super Mario Brothers 1 runners.
Just don't worry about frames, just go fast.
For real, it's that easy, man.
This